With this lesson, we're going to be looking for finding factors using the listing method. This method will list all the factors of a number, which means we will have prime and composite numbers. Later, we will cover finding just prime numbers. Let's start with finding the factors of the number 8. Now we know all numbers have a factor of 1, and we know that 1 times 8 equals 8. So our first two factors are 1 and 8. Since 8 is an even number, we know we can divide 8 by 2, which gives us 4. So our next two factors are 2 and 4. We know 8 cannot be divided by 3, and we have already used 4, so now we have all of our factors, 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now let's go to a little harder number, 36. Once again, we will start with 1 and the number we are factoring, 36. 36 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 36 divided by 2 gives us 18. Using the rule of 3, we add the digits of the number 36. 3 plus 6 equals 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So 36 is divisible by 3. Let's see. 3 will go into 3 one time and into 6 two times, which gives us 12. So our next two factors are 3 and 12. We know 4 times 9 equals 36, giving us the factors 4 and 9. Since 36 does not end in 5 or a 0, it is not divisible by 5. We know 36 is 6 times 6, so our next factors are 6 and 6. Since 6 and 6 are the same number, we know we have listed all of the factors, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Notice we have two 6s listed. If you're asked how many factors does 36 have, it has 10, and you count both 6s. But if the question is how many different factors does 36 have, you don't count the 6 twice, and the answer is 9. Look out for this trick question on tests. Now we're going to quickly factor the number 42. As always, we start with 1 and the number we are factoring, 1 and 42. 42 is an even number, and 42 divided by 2 is 21, giving us the factors 2 and 21. Using the rule of 3, 4 plus 2 equals 6, so 42 is divisible by 3. And 42 divided by 3 equals 14. So the factors are 3 and 14. 42 is not evenly divisible by 4, so 4 is not a factor. And since 42 does not end in 5 or 0, the rule of 5 tells us that 5 is not a factor. We know that 6 times 7 equals 42. So our next two factors are 6 and 7. Since 7 is our next possible factor, we know we have found all of our factors. The factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, and 42. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you understand how to list the factors of a number.